Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. Don't skip this video if you're a college student or a fresher or working professional and looking for jobs. In this video, I will be sharing top MNCs in India where you can find hundreds of jobs. Don't skip this video because I will be telling how you can use this resource because having the resource is not enough. When you know it how to use it, then it will be useful for you. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement material, startup list, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon because previously I have shared many resources. Like recently, I have shared 200 plus remote internship worldwide. You will get the link, apply link, also the company name and other details. With the help of that, you can visit to their company's website, search. You can search it and you can find a lots of job opportunities. And the another one I have shared a sheet curated by someone. It has a 6,000 recently funded startup worldwide. Also, India location, you can apply filter and check it out. And many more startup lists, online coding questions of different companies, tech resources, DSA, web, cloud, and many more. If you need any particular resource, do comment on the video. I'll try to share with you guys. So don't skip, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Coming back to this video, today I have curated this resource for you where many have dream to work in MNCs. They only know few like Accenture, Cognizant, TCS, and the big companies Amazon, Google. But there are more companies, MNCs, where you can find hundreds of jobs. So for your help, I have added direct LinkedIn and career portal, and I have verified all the links are working. Okay. So now how to use this resource? First of all, you have to visit to their LinkedIn profile. On their LinkedIn profile, you can see the list of job openings in a job section. Okay, so here in the job sections, you can find 4,000 plus jobs. Like TCS is a very big company, and here you will find a lot of jobs. Full stack, Node.js, JavaScript, Java developer. What you have to do, you just have to show all jobs, and here based on filter, you have to apply filter. Like if you're looking for entry level jobs, then it will shows all the entry level jobs, right, in TCS. And another like for any particular role, you can here search like software role. I am looking for software engineer role. It will give you the role for software engineer related. Okay, so this is the direct way, like go and check the job openings in on LinkedIn. Here you will get hundreds of job openings. TCS is big, then you here you have thousands of jobs. Also, like here you will get the employee data, how many employees are working in TCS. From them you can ask referral. Try to reach someone who has less followers. You will get replies from those people only, because people who have lots of followers, they miss or ignore or they don't have time. So reach out someone which has less follower. Also here you can search HRs. It will give the list of HRs in TCS working. To them you can inquire about any jobs to consider your profile. Okay. Similarly, there are companies like TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, Morgan Stanley, Deloitte, JP Morgan, PepsiCo, DP World, SCL, EY, Amazon, Wells Fargo. These are big companies. Infosys, Wipro, IBM. Like if you are looking jobs in IBM, just click on IBM. Here it is. Visit their LinkedIn profile. In LinkedIn profile, you will get the job section. In the job section, you can find the list of current openings. Like they have 5,000 plus job openings, backend developer, application developer, and just you have to go to the show all, and here you can apply filter like in entry level, or if you are looking for internships. So all these filters. Okay, here you will get the apply link. So look, if you go to every company, if you combine, you will get at least thousands of jobs for you. For your role, you can also get hundreds of jobs. Okay, So now you have to only utilize, you have to visit regularly, you have to like apply every day, or start working with one company, apply one in particular company, find all the job openings. Okay, this is the one way to find jobs. The another way is to visit their career portal. So all these career, to save your time, I have curated the career portal as well. It have taken a lot of time to curate and verify. So for this company, you visited their career portal. On their career portal, you can see the list of job openings for different roles, from tech to non-tech role. Like if you are looking opportunities in Wells Fargo, then here you will get career portal. Directly in career portal, you can see the list of openings. Okay, the other details. A diverse community, people, early career, grow with us. Okay, so it will redirect to the career portal, list of job openings. Similarly, if you are looking for jobs in Infosys or Wipro, it will redirect you to the career portal where you can find hundreds of jobs. Okay, here just with search filter, you can find the jobs. Yeah, lots of other details. Software, find jobs. So it will okay, giving you list of all job openings of different location of software engineer role. Based on other filter is location, you can see the list of job openings, at least thousands of jobs, so much jobs in these big MNCs. I mean, you were only applying which you were getting from any community or any channel, but there are thousands of jobs which are already open. You have to just grab it. So I'm doing the sharing part now. It's on you how you can utilize it. If you have any doubt, anything, do comment on the video. I'll try to resolve your queries, but don't hesitate to ask anything. And yes, if it's making any value to your job search, do comment and share your views because it will motivate me to bring more videos. Okay. The other way, if not getting anything, then you can just visit to their contact us page. In contact us page, you will get their email. So let me tell you one thing, one uh, important thing, that all these companies email ID, the career email ID will start with career. Okay, and at, if it's a TCS, then it will be tcs.com, whatever the domain name they are having. For example, Accenture. What is the Accenture? Yeah, Accenture.com. So Accenture, tcs.com. So check it with this. Like if I verify, you can use email validator, any of the email validator, and if you get the company name, just write career. Okay, careers. Okay, at the rate tcs.com. Now validate if it's working or not. Yes, it's valid and it's deliverable. You can send them cold email. Similarly, for all these companies, you can try like careers at the rate, then company domain name. Okay. If this was helpful, thank you for watching. Do share your views. Bye bye.